Volcanic perspectives, Māori. What is the Māori connection to New Zealand's volcanoes? To Māori, volcanic landscapes across New Zealand hold deep cultural, spiritual and ancestral significance. Volcanoes are viewed as ancestors and as living components of the environment. Many tribes share traditional stories that explain how volcanoes were formed and how humans should respect these landscapes. This page will explore these perspectives and consider how Māori knowledge can be applied more widely across New Zealand. Māori stories. How was New Zealand formed? Here are a few stories shared by different tribes across New Zealand. These examples help to highlight how deeply environmental respect is intertwined throughout their beliefs and traditions. Land. The land was created when Maui, a demigod, caught a huge fish in the sea, which then became the North Island, and the boat became South Island. Thermal areas. An explorer was travelling the North Island, but became very cold, so called for his sisters, Te Huata and Te Pupa. They sent fire to him underground from far away, which when rising to the surface formed the volcanoes, hot springs and mud pools on the surface. Mountain locations. The mountains Tongariro, Taranaki and Tauhara were once together, but they fought a battle over affection from the Maiden Mountain. When Tokahario won, the others were forced to leave, so travelled until the rising sun fixed them into that location. To better understand how Māori communities view New Zealand's volcanic landscapes, it helps to understand some key Māori concepts that shape these perspectives. Click to learn more. Wakapa. This is the foundational concept that all living things are connected via a continuous layered network, which is similar to a family tree. This includes humans, water and land. This links humans to active volcanoes, as they often are viewed as human ancestors. Maunga. This is the Maori term for mountain. They are treated with respect throughout the community as are seen as living beings. Tribes often associate themselves with their local maunga. Kaiteaki. The concept that it is a human's responsibility to care for and protect the environment. The term stretches beyond just nature and applies also to protecting people and cultural treasures. Ruamoko. This is the unborn child of the Earth Mother and Sky Father, who remains inside the womb. His movements inside Earth is what causes volcanic eruptions and tremors. These actions represent the destructive force of nature and its ability to create new active landforms. Listen to this interview recorded after the Taruwera eruption to understand why it is important to consider environmental changes beyond traditional science when preparing for volcanic events. From 417, a local Māori tribe member talks about the region's ancestral history and the value it holds. How does this relate to Wakari? Wakari is viewed by Māori as an active ancestor. The 2019 eruption was seen widely by Māori tribes as a warning, signalling that the natural environment is being pushed beyond its limits through human activity and exploitation. These perspectives remind us of the need to approach volcanic landscapes with caution and respect, something which many believe was not happening at Wakari. Click here to learn more about what Māori communities said after the eruption. Kaiteaki Connect.